Ni hao, namaskar, and hello everyone. Welcome to Stone Technology. My name is Pradeep Kumar, and today I'm very excited to take you all to our factory tour. Before we step inside, I would like to highlight that Stone is among the top manufacturer of glass loading and unloading machines, glass cutting machines, and glass smart storage systems. Our manufacturing unit is situated in Henan province of China. The core competency of 15 years, our machines is present in more than 45 plus countries worldwide. So let's begin the tour. Behind every product lies a creative force that brings it to the life. Welcome to the heart of innovation of our factory, the design team. Now we are standing in a raw design department. This is a place where every product takes its birth and starts its journey. This is the painting department. The magic of color happens here. This is the area where our products get a unique and a very beautiful personality. We are in this big area. This is a glass cutting line manufacturing department. Every glass cutting line has a three sections. So one is the automatic glass loading machines, then we have the cutting machines, then we have the breakout machines. So we go one by one to each section. Now let's take our attention to the heartbeat of precision and accuracy of our factory, the cutting machine. Now we are standing in the glass loading machine section. These are the loaders, one of the heaviest in the industry, and we manufacture it, in order to meet the speed of the cutting machine. Before any of our product leave the walls and reaches your hand, they must go through a proper quality check. So this is the quality check department where we check all the machines manually, and then we power it up and test it electronically. And this, you can see, this is the ready to go stock, and all quality check has been done thoroughly. So they give you a very high quality and precision machines. Our commitment to excellence doesn't end when product leaves our factory. It keeps on continue with after sales department.
我是许帅，我现在负责售后服务部。本公司有一个强大的售后团队。本公司的宗旨是快速响应，然后准确服务，尽心尽力，然后做到最好。
我是思创科技有限公司副总经理。我们公司本着高标准、严要求，生产每台设备，确保每台设备性能优良。公司像一个温暖的大家庭一样，工作环境优美，氛围好，员工兢兢业业，工作认真。我们公司的宗旨是优质、高效、安全，更好的为客户提供优质的玻璃深加工设备。
Ensuring the highest quality is our priority. Thank you for joining us on this factory tour. I hope you have got the insight to our operations and working. If you have any questions or knowledge to gain, you can contact us. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our social media. Links are in the description. Thank you so much. Shishya, namaskar.